Springfield awakens as Homer promises mentorship. Tutorial energy crackling through shabby kitchen countertops this morning. Bart scowls, grumbling, yet follows, sensing a dangerous adventure wrapped in fatherly panels this morning. Marge frets, worries about parental role models, polishing a dish as Homer plans theatrics indoors. Lisa eyes the chaos machine behind the sofa, warning of unintended consequences and ethics tonight. Bart tests prank ideas while Moe's tavern echoes with distant whistles and neon laughter outside. Homer declares mentorship, assigns Bart and Maggie a heroic project, demands reverence, winks exaggeratedly tonight. They drive to Town Square, where Chief Wiggum prepares donuts and dramatic police sirens blaring. A town hall meets. Principal Skinner introduces a lesson-themed parade, misinterpreted as civic drill today. Homer declares mentorship equals action, not questions, imitating action films within breakfast sunlight on TV. Bart performs clumsy heroic actions, tripping over a mascot, causing popcorn avalanche in auditorium today. Marge hosts town bake sale teas, hoping community practice normalcy despite antics and hidden truths. Lisa mentors kids gently, explaining ethics with chalkboard diagrams, avoiding collateral property damage this afternoon. Homer's lesson involves a forced parade float representing responsibility, complete with itchy and scratchy sound effects everywhere. Crowd cheers, Bart abuses Batten, chaos erupts, confetti covers Mayor Quimby's suit in absurd fashion. Lisa's inquiry triggers mob mentality, leading to an accidental emergency drill across Kwik-E-Mart this evening. Homer doubles down, coaching Bart to lead crowds, misreads safety protocols as loyalty myth anyway. Moe's bar becomes command center, phones ring, patrons request safety costumes and donuts for everybody. Chief Wiggum orders black and white photo ops, while Reverend Lovejoy sermonizes patience and restraint for spectators. Homer's mentor talk devolves into dough-filled pep rally. Bart ponders consequences of arrogance this evening. Marge negotiates between caretakers, kids, and crusty statue investors demanding refunds on memory and promises. Springfield Elementary blares gym speaker announcing character building day, triggering flash mobs and unexpected courage everywhere. Bart commands a line of citizens, accidentally marching into Mr. Burns' garden, causing scarecrow chaos. Burns cackles, redeploys sprinklers, quips about risk evaluation while Smithers tries to calm chaos outside. Homer finally realizes misfired lesson, racing to fix situation with transparent apology and accountability tonight. Bart confronts crowd, admits mistakes, echoes dough, yet earns stunned nods from skeptical counselors nearby. Lisa documents chaos, records lessons, and proposes restorative community service, instantly gaining support from everyone. Marge coordinates cleanup crews, cooking soup, and comforting worried children in the cleaned park together. Sunset gathers Springfield at Kwik-E-Mart, sharing lessons, laughter, and renewed neighborly trust for the future. Homer smiles, claps Bart on shoulder, muttering dough becomes reflective family motto for all time. Final shot lingers on Simpsons' kitchen, across town lights flicker, running gags echo, callbacks resume.